No, I'm gonna record for a couple seconds just to let everybody know that's 12:30 at night. And we're taking the Superman approach. He's supposed to be sleeping and it's 12:30. Yep.
Oh my. Got spit up in his hair.
I don't know. Look at his face.
He's like, yep.
Yep, it's 12:30 at night and Caden decides that he wants to be held like a Superman.
Gotta go, Mom.
Bruno is playing with the dog at midnight when everyone's supposed to be sleeping. He like can't even hardly hold it. He's like just barely holding his eyes open. He's like in a trance.
Yeah, well.
He got drool coming out of his mouth.
Look at this thing. Pause it and get a video.
No. I don't like looking at that. Yep, there's Caden. At 20-1. But put him over on his back. Like that. Oh my gosh, he's drooling so much.
Yep. 2 months old, drooling.
See? Telling him, go on your back, it's time to go to sleep. He screams.
No bedtime.
So that's why we did the Superman approach. And he's cured. He's cured.
Loves the Superman.
Alright, well.